How to create digital business card in Canva. Here is a concise guide on how to create a digital business card using a popular tool, Canva, in just a few minutes. Creating a digital business card can be a great way to share your contact information easily and efficiently. Here is a step-by-step guide on how to create a digital business card. So firstly, all I have to do is open your web browser and dive into canva.com. So this is the homepage. As you can see, here we have Canva home. Then we have here design spotlights. As you can see, we have four things: visual documents, photos and videos, print, marketing. About visual documents, we have virtual sites, tags, presentation, whiteboards, PDF editor, graphs and charts. For photos and videos, we have video editor, YouTube video editor, photo collages, background remover. Then we have print, business cards, invitation, mags, t-shirts, hoodies, calendars, labels. About marketing, we have logos. You can just click over the one you want, posters, flyers, brochures, social media, websites, stickers, yard signs, QR code. Then we have here browse Canva templates. Choose from thousands of free ready-to-use templates. Magic Studio, all the power of place. Then we have here business, Canva enterprise, Canva teams, contact sales. We have business solutions here. Use case resources about business solutions. We have marketing creatives, agencies, sales, communications, estate, small and medium businesses, startups, franchise, and all business solutions. You can click over here to know more information. Then we have here use case, content creation, visual communication, brand management, team collaboration, asset management, brainstorms and workshops, branded team template, productivity and workflows. Then we have resources, business resources, case studies, features, integrations and apps, security, enterprise onboarding services. We have also education, teachers and schools, students, teacher resources, OMS integrations, case studies, higher education, then become an education creators. So here we have the home page. What will you design today? Canva makes it easy to create and share professional design. We have here posters, resumes, logos, tags, whiteboards, presentations. Also, we have social videos, websites, Instagram posts, brochure, photo editor. Then we have a perfect fit for everyone. Firstly, we have for one person Canva free for designing or working on anything. We get Canva free. Then for one person, Canva Pro for growing your brand or passion project with premium features. Start free portal. Then we have for your team, Canva Teams for team to create together with premium workplace tools and workflows. Start free James trial. Here we have just by well-known companies create with AI or define the way you create with Magic Studio or our site of AI-powered tools that generate copy and your brand voice with Magic Write. Transform your photos with Magic Edits. Design with others, invite friends and family to design with you, or set your whole team up to work together. Our collaboration features lets you comment and work in real time on presentations, whiteboards, docs, videos, or the birthday party planning. Then we have template of for absolutely anything. Customize an office template or design something more personal like an invitation. As you can see here, we have a lot of models or a lot of stuffs like open house, marketing review, capsule collections. As you can see, you can just choose the one you want and no other information about it. The plan that gets down to businesses have empowered everyone to design together with Canvas teams. Firstly, we have AI powered efficiency, bring your brand in-house, beautiful approval flows. Then we have here, we are full of surprise. Here are some of our best traits you might not know about. There we have here, we've got a desktop app, businesses love us. We make presenting easy. We have a video editor, we are free For classrooms, we are committed to sustainability. We are free for no profits. We have amplify diversifies. So here we have some steps to create a digital business card. So firstly we have choose a platform or application. On the first side we have select a platform or application. There are several apps and platforms available for creating digital business cards such as Canva or Adobe Spark, Vistaprint, and dedicated apps like Hi Hello, CampCard or Highstack. Then we sign up or log in like how we did with Canva, as you can see. Then create an account or log in. If you are using an application, download it from your app store and create an account or log in if you already have one. Then the third step we have select a template. Browse templates firstly. Most platforms offer a variety of templates. Choose a template that fits your brand or personal style. Select template, click on the template to start customizing it. Step 4 we have customize your digital business card. Firstly, we have add your logo, upload your company logo. Most platforms will have an option to add an image or logo. Then enter your information, include your name, job title, company name, phone number, email address, website, and any other relevant information. Then we have customize the design, change colors, fonts, and layout to match your brand. Most platforms allow you to drag and drop elements to create a design that you like. Then add social media links, include icons and links to your social media profiles to make it easy for people to connect with you online. Step 5 we have save and export. First, we have preview your card before finalizing. Preview your digital business cards to make sure everything looks good. Then save your card, save your design. Most platforms will save your card and your account for future edits. Then export your card. Export your digital business card as a PNG, PDF file. Some apps also allow you to share your card via a QR code. Steps the last step, share your digital business card via email. Attach your digital business card to your email signature so that every email you send includes your contact information. Then we have via social media, share your digital business card on your social media profiles or send it directly to your contacts. Then we have via QR code. If your platform provides a QR code, you can print it on physical materials or display it digitally for others to scan and save your content information. By following these steps, you can create a professional and eye-catching digital business cards that you can easily share with others in a variety of ways. So this is it for this video, guys. I hope it has been useful and helpful, and see you again in the next video.